Hi there. In this video, we'll cover how to check the life of PowerVault SSDs. Solid-state drives, otherwise known as SSDs, use flash memory cells to store data. Writing new data to a cell requires erasing the old data first. This write or erase process causes wear and tear to the cells. Each cell can endure a limited number of write and erase cycles before it starts to degrade. Operators should consider replacing SSDs after they reach 5% SSD life remaining. To check the life of an installed SSD, log in to your PowerVault manager with administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Maintenance option on the left of the screen and select the Hardware option. Select the SSD and scroll down to see the full disk information, and you should see SSD life remaining. This value is pulled every 5 minutes. When the value decreases to 20%, an event is logged with Informational severity. This event is logged again with Warning severity when the value decreases to 5, 2, or 1%, and finally 0. When the value decreases to 0%, the integrity of the data is not guaranteed. To prevent data integrity issues, replace the SSD when the value decreases to 5% of life remaining. For PowerVault arrays that have valid Pro Support or Pro Support Plus cover, operators may contact Dell Technical Support to replace the drive once it has 5% or lower life remaining. To check the warranty of your system, navigate to the Dell support page at dell.com/support. From the support homepage, enter the service tag of the enclosure and click on Search. Under Support Services, you can check what warranty your system is covered by. And that's it. For more information on this topic, please check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.